Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Michelle and welcome to another episode of Unang Math. For this episode, our lesson is the measure of one exterior angle of a regular polygon. In our previous episode, we already studied how to find the sum of the exterior angles of a polygon. This time, I will explain how to find the measure of one exterior angle of a regular polygon. We all know that regular polygons' sides and angles are equal in measure. That means the interior angles of a regular polygon are equal in measure, including the exterior angles. So the measure of the exterior angles of a regular n-gon are all equal. Let's take a look at these regular polygons. This is regular triangle, square, and this is regular pentagon. For regular triangle, each interior angle measures 60 degrees. Remember, the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. This is regular triangle. So each interior angle measures 60 degrees. If one interior angle is 60 degrees, what about the exterior angle? Interior plus exterior angle equals 180 degrees or straight angle. So if this is 60 degrees, then exterior angle is 120 degrees. This is regular triangle. So all exterior angles measure 120 degrees. Okay, what about square? Square has 4 interior angles. The sum of the interior angles of a square is 360 degrees. So to find each interior angle's measure 360 degrees divided by 4, that is equal to 90 degrees. So each interior angle measures 90 degrees. Okay, what about exterior angle of a square? Okay, interior plus exterior is straight angle or 180 degrees. So 180 minus 90, then exterior angle is 90 degrees. This is a square. So each exterior angle measures 90 degrees. Okay, let's move on to regular pentagon. Pentagon has 5 interior angles. Since this is a regular pentagon, the sum of the interior angles of a pentagon is 540 degrees. So to find each interior angle, 540 degrees divided by 5, then each interior angle measures 108 degrees. Okay, if interior angle is 108 degrees, what about exterior angle? This is straight line or straight angle. So 180 degrees minus 108 degrees, then exterior angle measures 72 degrees. This is a regular pentagon, so each exterior angle measures 72 degrees. Okay, in summary, the number of exterior angles of a regular n-gon is equal to the number of vertices, which is n, or we will represent this one as n. So the measure of one exterior angle of a regular n-gon would be, okay, the sum of the exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degrees. And to find the measure of one exterior angle of a regular n-gon, 360 degrees divided by the number of vertices, which is represented as n. So 360 degrees divided by n. Okay, this time, let's answer this concept check question. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate answer. The sum of the exterior angles of a regular octagon is 360 degrees, or all polygons' sum of the exterior angles is equal to 360 degrees. And there are blank exterior angles. So there are 8 exterior angles. Since all exterior angles are equal, the measure of one exterior angle would be, 360 degrees. And then we have to divide this one by the number of vertices, which is 8. So 360 degrees divided by 8, or 360 divided by 8, then this is equal to 45. So 45 degrees. The measure of one exterior angle is equal to 45 degrees. Okay, now, let's answer this simple activity. First one is, what is the measure of one exterior angle of a regular 18-gon? Okay, so that means this polygon has 18 vertices. So to find the measure of one exterior angle of this regular, take note, this is regular 18-gon. So the sum of the exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degrees. So 360 degrees divided by the number of vertices, which is 18. So 360 degrees divided by 18, then this is equal to 20. So 20 degrees. Each exterior angle measures 20 degrees. Okay, what about number 2? Find the total number of diagonals in a regular polygon where each exterior angle measures 36 degrees. Okay, in this problem, the question is, we are going to find the total number of diagonals in this regular polygon. But actually, we don't know yet what is this regular polygon, or how many vertices this regular polygon have. Okay, but we have a clue here. Each exterior angle measures 36 degrees. Okay, we'll use this given to find out what is this regular polygon. So the sum of the exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degrees. So 360 degrees divided by how many vertices? We don't know actually. So divided by n. And this is equal to 36 degrees. So if we will simplify, okay, so this is 36n is equal to 360 degrees. Okay, divide both sides by 36. Then that means n is equal to 10. So this regular polygon has 10 vertices. Or this is what we call regular decagon. So regular decagon. Okay, now, let's go back to the question. Find the total number of diagonals of this regular decagon. Okay, so to find the total number of diagonals, okay, in one vertex, okay, we can actually draw how many diagonals. So it's n minus 3. We have to minus 3 because we have to minus the vertex and the two adjacent sides. So it's n minus 3. So n minus 3, this is 10 minus 3, then this is equal to 7. Okay, so since this is a regular decagon, 10, okay, times 7, and we have to divide this one by 2. Okay, why do we need to divide by 2? Because remember, the diagonal, if we will draw diagonal from one vertex to the another vertex or to the non-adjacent vertex, this one also draw another diagonal to this non-adjacent vertex. So this one repeats. So we have to divide by 2. So if we will simplify, this is 5. So 5 times 7, then that means this is equal to 35. So the total number of diagonals of a regular decagon is 35.